Hello and welcome to this horrible angle. Today is the first part of a two-part little series of spring cleaning, spring reset. I know, you think I reset all the time. I never do it in full and it never sticks. So I know that like once a month I'm probably gonna reset my life, but it's spring and it's really time for it. We'll yap about it and why and all the health updates, the current sitch with my life, the whole shtick. We will talk about that in the next video, the next vlog, because that one is focused around goal setting, routines, planning, vision board, manifesting, all of that. So it's like a New Year's reset, but not. It's for the spring. Today, fully focused on cleaning my apartment to the nooks and crannies and just getting my environment in order because it is so unbelievably chaotic and I feel like I clean it all the time, but it's never clean enough. And then of course, my mom is an animal lover and she had been taking care of this little baby kitten that she got on the street. She found, you know, cat distribution system, right? And she just forgot to like, hey, check if that hoe has fleas. That hoe infested her house, infested my pets, my house, and I want to die. This is the most infuriating, insufferable thing. And I remember back in the day when me and my mom were like going through it, single mom who works 2 jobs type shit, we had a really bad flea infestation. So bad. And I'm like getting PTSD and shit. That was a time. We didn't have money back then. So like we had to go through it for so long. And I don't even know how you fully eradicate fleas. Like I've asked G.I. Joe, aka ChatGPT, numerous times. And like I'm doing the things, but it's so difficult. I've been giving them their meds. I've been vacuuming every day. I've been washing my bedding every day. If you have dealt with this, give me some tips, vibes. Like, do I have to fog the house? I don't want to do that because like, you know, it's so much, like where do I take the pets? Atticus hates dogs and people. I don't want to go take him somewhere. Sybil, same thing. Like, what do I do? Be my Google and tell me what to do down below. But that's not the point. I made a list on my notes app, which is funny because I made an entire I made an entire Notion template, super in depth. And I have on there all of my like weekly, monthly, seasonally, and yearly cleaning things. I'm gonna check them off on there, but I wrote it all in my notes app just because it's gonna be cute to like click off on screen, even though it'd be cute to do my thing. We'll see what I put on the screen. I also have the inability to say no, and I've been going through stuff. So I'm gonna go on a hot girl walk first with my friend at the beach, a little 6-mile hot girl walk because we have yapping to do. We have not yapped and debriefed for a week or 2, and I know that's not a lot. The span of a week in my life, shit has hit the fan, it's hit the walls, it's hit everywhere, so she needs to be debriefed. So I'm gonna do that before I start cleaning. That might be dumb because like 6-mile walk, you're gonna have the energy to clean an entire house like to this level. Probably not. I'll shut up and we'll get the day started. It's not even the same day, but I am in the same outfit because like duh, the weekend got away from me. So it's Monday. I, on a whim, Saturday night decided, you know what? I'm gonna go out tonight. I never go out anymore. And then Sunday I had a work event, didn't do shit after it. So the apartment is in disarray. This is the trenches. Going to clean now something that I don't think I've cleaned in like, I honestly don't know when, but I want to clean out and wipe down the inside of the cabinets and drawers. Kind of feels like it would be therapeutic, but also taxing. gloves. That's gross. Ew, what is this? The kitchen is clean for the most part. The only thing left is the floors, but I'm gonna do the living room. So they connect, vibes. And I'm also watching Love Island. Hulu is so behind on Love Island, it makes me sick. So I found out how to watch it online, just on some rando illegal website. Sip of peanut on my couch again. I need to do the living room, but really it's not much that I have to do besides like just vacuuming and then vacuum all of the wood and then mop the floors. Kitchen, living room, clean. What I'm gonna do is put these on. These little guys, Glade smelly things. I don't know what flavor this is. It has teak in it. It's like the smells like man candle, you know? So I'm gonna plop these hoes, one in the living room, one here. It's gonna smell good. And then I'm gonna clean my bedroom and bathroom. Least favorite things to do. Actually, I don't like any of it. Actually, I love all of it. Sure. I don't want to clean my bedroom or the bathroom. I don't like cleaning past like 4 p.m. I don't know what that mental illness is. I don't want to do it. I want to revel in this clean living room and kitchen area, and I want to have banana bread. So that's what I'm gonna do. I went to this little food convention thing. It's like Coachella, but without the Coachella, just like the food. I did that yesterday for like a thing with LaCroix, and I got a free banana bread. Oh, look at this. Or the little photo booth picture we took. So I got a box of banana bread, which I've never made boxed banana bread or boxed baked good anything. So I had a sample of it though when they had it at the little stand, and it tasted good. So, oh, that's easy. I love it. I love the box. I just want to keep the box. I'm gonna keep watching Love Island, so enjoy the relaxing ambiance of Love Island.
Plastic bands around their ears. Oh no, hang on. I was a
White noise. Little intermish to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy to get started by choosing from one of the many templates designed for every category that allows you to customize the look and add in your own content. You do also have the option to design your own template, and this is my website that houses everything relating to my personal brand. A goal of mine is to eventually launch my own online store, and Squarespace already has that feature available to me when I'm ready. So you can sell your products in an online store, whether they're physical, digital, or service products. And speaking of service products, they also have a built-in scheduling feature that lets you create and accept appointments through your website. Scheduling function has everything needed to manage your schedule, accept payments, send auto reminders, and showcase your services. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Sienna Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. It's a new day. I have blonde hair. Time has passed. I got my hair blonded and I didn't finish all of the cleaning. I warmed up my little banana bread that I made yesterday. Who started this trend? Because I owe you my life, my 401k, my firstborn child, my soul. Anything you want, it's yours. Because like, what the fuck? I love being blonde. I forget what it's like to be blonde when my hair gets like dark down to here. I'm like, ew, there's no reason to live anymore. And then as soon as I get my hair colored, oh my God, I love being alive. Let's go outside. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, and then nails too. I want to be alive. I want to be alive. Kind of looks like a mullet from this angle. I want another tattoo. That would just really seal up everything. You know, new hair. I did cut it. Nails. I need a new tattoo. It's just science.